Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. My name is Manuela and welcome to this video review in which I want to talk to you about the Quietum Plus supplement, okay? Because this is an amazing, super powerful and unique supplement that was designed for those people who are having some problems with the health of their ears. Okay, and I'm guessing that if you are watching this video, it's probably because you are noticing that you're having some hearing problems, maybe even hearing loss already, or you're noticing some buzzing sounds in your ears, you notice that you're having constant and painful headaches, or maybe you're dealing with some mental problems, like memory loss, mental fog, and this kind of stuff. This could all be related to the problems of your ear, okay? But today I will bring the solution to you, and that is Quietum Plus, okay? That's why I want to talk to you about it, because this really can solve all of these issues, okay? So if you really want to get to know more about Quietum Plus, about its benefits, its formula and ingredients, how it is exactly gonna work for you, just keep watching this video, okay guys? There are some really important things that I want to talk to you about, like Quietum Plus, before you actually start using it, okay? Because there are some really important things that you should be aware of for you to have the best experience that you can have with Quietum Plus and really not have any problems with it, okay? So it really is important that you pay attention to this whole video, okay guys? But the most important alert that I want to talk to you about Quietum Plus, I'm going to tell you right now, straightforward, because you got to be careful about where you're going to order Quietum Plus from, okay? Because unfortunately, today on the internet, we all know that there are many people who are selling fake products on fake websites. So you got to be careful to order the original Quietum Plus from the original website, okay? So I will help you, and I will leave the link to the official Quietum Plus website in this video's description. From there, you're going to make a safe and secure purchase of the original Quietum Plus supplement, and you really are going to benefit a lot from it. Okay, so just make sure to order it only from there, guys. But now talking a little bit more about Quietum Plus formula, because I told you, it really is amazing, super unique, and powerful, okay? The Quietum Plus formula is 100% natural, guys, okay? That's the best thing out of it. It is 100% natural, so you really don't have to worry about chemicals or stimulants or GMOs, okay? No contradictions or side effects for you and for your health, okay? Be completely safe about that. It only has minerals, plant-based ingredients, vitamins, nutrients, all of this kind of stuff that really are going to be super great, of course, for your hearing problems, because Quietum Plus is going to work on the wire that connects your hearing, because recent studies have discovered that many people have this wire damaged, and that's why you are starting to notice some hearing problems. So you gotta fix this wire, you gotta fix the damage, and Quietum Plus is going to help you with that, but also with your overall health, okay? Because it has an excellent formula. So it is going to help you with your hearing loss, it is going to help you to protect your ears from future damage, it is going to help you with your memory problems and this kind of stuff, and it really is going to relieve all your constant and painful headaches, okay guys? And as it has amazing ingredients for you, it can also help you with your overall health. So you're going to notice a better sleep quality, you're going to notice that you have more energy, you will feel a lot greater in your body, and that's all because of the Quietum Plus capsules, okay? All you gotta do with Quietum Plus is take the capsules every single day, guys, and be consistent with it, ideally for at least 3 months, okay? The recommended treatment time is between 3 to 6 months, so that you can really adapt to the natural formula. But you really can have lots of benefits from it, okay? So there really is no harm in just taking the capsules every day, okay? You can go to their official website to check out the best offers for you, but the 3-bottle option and the 6-bottle option are the ones, the best discounts, free shipping, and free bonuses for you, so it really is a great deal, okay? And by ordering from their official website, you still are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it really is worth it. Go to their official website, take a look at more detailed information on the offers, on the feedbacks from people who have been trying Quietum Plus and are super satisfied with the results, and make your purchase from there, okay? Thank you so much for listening, guys. Bye.